This is a quick overview of our CBAM tool for installations. This is the installations homepage. If a company has multiple facilities, each one of those facilities can be accessed from here. We can see that the demo company has 3 installations. New installations can be added by clicking Create Installation and adding the installation details to the menu. We can look more closely at an installation by clicking Details. This page shows the details for the installation, which are required for the CBAM report. On this page, we can edit the installation details, download the communication template, or share the installation data. Down below, we have links to add installation emissions and production processes and calculate process heat imports. We will look at each of these separately, starting with the installation emissions. There are 2 kinds of installation emissions: calculation-based and measurement-based. We will look at the calculation-based emissions first. Here, the installation can add their fuel use and other calculated emissions known as source streams. We can see that this installation is currently using diesel and natural gas. New source streams can be added by clicking the Create Source Stream button and filling out the information for that emission source. Now we'll go back to installation emissions. If the installation has a monitoring system for emissions, those emissions are added in the measurement-based emissions section. This demo installation does not have on-site monitoring, but if it did, we could add an emission source by clicking Create Emission Source and filling in the monitored information. Now we'll go back to the installation page, and we can take a look at the production processes. This installation has 2 production processes, one for steel and one for aluminum. New production processes can be added using the Create Production Process button. We will look at the details for the steel production process. This page shows the values associated with products from this production process, including the goods category produced, the heat, waste gas and electricity imports and exports, and the emissions associated with the process. Down below, we can see that this process currently uses one CBAM covered precursor, and I can add another by clicking Add Precursor Material and filling in the precursor details. If I click on Goods Produced, we can see that the process produces one product. Additional products could be added by clicking Add, Good Produced, and filling in the product information. Now we'll go back to the installation page and look at the process heat imports. This part of the tool calculates the imported heat energy and emission factor, which need to be added to the production processes for this installation. We can see that the heat import values are allocated by mass from the installation fuel use, which in this case is diesel and natural gas. Down here, we can see the total heat imports for each process. Clicking the Save button will automatically add these values to the production processes, or this can also be done directly in the production process menu. That completes the overview for the SCS CBAM Installations Tool. Scan the QR code to learn more.